All right, Maddie, so I'm going to ask you a couple questions about math, okay? So you can use this sheet right in front of you to follow along. What's 0 times 4?
0,
1 times 2?
2,
5 times 3?
15,
10 times 7?
70,
2 times 6?
12,
3 times 9?
27,
4 times 8?
32,
6 times 7? You want to skip that one?
yeah,
Okay. 4 times 4?
12,
7 times 8?
let's get that one too.
8 times 5?
40,
9 times 6?
let's get that one too.
You want to give it a try?
Let's get that.
Alright. Okay. What do you do when you multiply times 0? A number times 0. What do you do? What do you think of?
I just look at the 0 and just think 0.
Okay.
Just say it's 0.
So it's just 0? So 1 times 0?
Yes, 0.
And 5 times 0?
0.
Okay. How about when you're multiplying a number times 1? What do you do then?
I just think of the other numbers. Like, if it's
Okay.
like 1 times 5, I just say it's 5.
Okay. What do you do when you're multiplying times 10?
If it's like 7 times 10, like that one,
Mm-hmm.
I just put 7 in front of the 1 and the 10, and then I think 70
Okay, so 8 times 10
is 80,
and 10 times 10?
is 700.
Okay. How about multiplying by 5? What do you do when you multiply by 5?
I count by 5s on my fingers.
Okay. What are you doing when you're multiplying by 2? A number times 2. So like 4 times 2. What are you doing?
I know that 4 plus 4 equals 8,
Mhm.
so I'm just like, if it's 4 times 2, I just go into I know that 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, and then add 4.
Okay. How about 2 times 9?
I already know, like, I know that 9 plus 9 is 18.
Okay. So 2 times 9 is?
Yeah, 18.
All right. So what do you think you do when you're multiplying by 4?
Like, if it's 4 times 4, I
Mhm.
know that 4 plus 4 is 8, so I do, I do 4, like, I do 4, man, I did 4, and then I did 4, and then I did another 4, just added on my fingers.
Okay, so 4 times 4 is what?
12. 4 times 4 is 12.
Think about it again. How many groups of 4 are there?
Oh, you know what? Okay, I do 4, and then get 4 times 4. Wait, no. 4 plus 4
Uh-huh.
equals 8, and then I do another 4 plus 4 and get 8, and then I add 8 plus 8 get 16.
Oh, so you like double the double?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't know why I said 12.
Yeah. So what about something like 4 times 9?
I just do it like backwards. I do 9 times 4. I think of 9 times 2,
Uh-huh.
and I get 18. And then I think of it again and get 18. Then I do 18 plus 18,
All right.
and I get 36.
Awesome strategy. Great. If I didn't know what 8 times 3 was, how would you have me solve that problem?
I say do 8 plus 8, and you get 16,
Mhm.
and then do 16 plus 8.
Okay, so add another group onto it.
Yeah, and
Okay.
get 24.
Okay, yeah, great. So what strategies do you use when you're multiplying by 3?
I just, like, if it's 2 times 3, I do 2, 4, 6, or like if it's 1 times 3, I do 3.
It's kind of like what you just told me, right? That 8 times 3?
It's 24.
Okay, all right. So what do you think you do when you're multiplying a number by 6?
I think what number? Like 6 times what?
Okay, 6 times 7.
I'll do 6. I'll do 6, 5. What was it?
6 times 7?
Oh yeah, I do 7 times 5, and then add another 7.
Okay. If I didn't know 9 times 4, what's one way I could think about it to solve?
9 plus 9, and then get 18, and then 18 plus 18.
Nice. If I was stuck on 7 times 9, what would you tell me to do?
9 times 5, get 45, and then plus 7.
Okay. Plus 7?
Oh, what was it?
It was 9 times 7.
Oh yeah, plus 7. Wait, no.
So you tell me to do
Plus
9 times
2,
5.
plus 2 sevens.
Oh, plus 2
Yeah.
plus 2 sevens?
Yeah.
Okay.
Plus 14.
Okay.
And then add.
And then what would I get?
I mean,
So if I was doing 9 times 7, you'd tell me to do 9 times 5?
yeah.
Okay, to get 45.
And then add 7, which would be 52, and
Uh-huh.
then 50.
Okay. What do you think you do when you're multiplying a number by itself? So 5 times 5 or 8 times 8.
For 5 times 5, I just go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
Okay. How about 8 times 8?
Probably 8 times 5, and then add 3 more 8s.
Oh, okay. Okay. Do you like math? Kind of? All right. What facts are easy for you?
5s and lower. Or like, yeah, 5s and, no, like 10s and lower.
So 10s are 8s easy for you? And 7s, 6s?
Not really
Or 5s and 10s?
Not really 9s, 8s, or 7s.
Okay, so the tricky ones are 9s, 8s,
8s,
and 7s for you? Okay. What strategies do you use on those tricky problems?
I just told you a couple, or the things I did, like number times 5, and then added like
Oh,
the rest of, to get like it, if it's 8, I got 3 more.
yeah. So you do it times 5, which is what you know, and then you add more groups of that? Okay. What do you do when you get stuck?
I don't know. I think I just ask for help. I don't know.
What if your teacher's not around? What do you do?
I try to figure it out for myself.
Okay. Do you have a way you do that?
I'll just like guess sometimes, like, or like try to like draw a picture.
Okay. Oh, picture. That's a great strategy, too. All right. Thank you very much, Maddie. You can go back to class. Thanks. Really appreciate